What is going on? This is MOTOSARGE signing in, and in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing and install video. But today it's of the long-awaited replacement seats. You know, I was going back and forth between a few different companies, Saddlemen, and then also Whiplash Speed Company. But as the title states, we went with Whiplash Speed Company, and I picked up one of their gambler seats. They're a veteran-owned company. They were real quick to, you know, return my messages that I hit them up with different questions and what type of material to go with and how I wanted the stitching and everything. So it was extremely customizable to how you want it. And I just like the fact that they're veteran-owned, man. It makes it a lot easier to invest my money in a fellow brother or sister that served our military. So let's go ahead and roll this intro and get on with today's video.
Hard work, banging on the doors in the morning. Hard work, work. And let's go to work. Hard work, work. Hard work. You pack up the shoes. Hard work, work.
Well, all right, welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you are new to the channel, I bring you along with me as I merge my passions for photography and motorcycles. So if you like anything photography or motorcycle related and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. And we're at it, don't forget to ring that bell icon to receive email alerts when I upload some new content. Like I mentioned in today's intro, we're going to be doing an unboxing and install video of the Whiplash Speed Company Gambler seat. Now, I don't do too many unboxing or installation videos because my garage is crazy busy. But, you know, I figured why not just continue doing what I was doing. And recently, you know, I did a unboxing and install video of the HogWorkz LED Headlights, and that was a lot of fun for me. So I figured, why not? Let's go ahead and do it to the seat. And the install of a seat is super easy. I might even let my son help me out and do it. We'll see once we get back to the garage. But right now I'm just running up to Dollar General to grab some charcoal to be able to throw some burgers on the grill while we're doing this unboxing and installation video, so the kids can kind of play around and they have something to be occupied with outside with our blow-up water park that we bought during this pandemic we're in to find ways to keep them busy. Well, yeah, I'm super excited about this seat. We just recently rode our way up. It was about 80 miles each way this past weekend, and I know it's not a lot of miles, but after sitting on this stock seat for about an hour and a half, I'm old, man. I'm getting old. My back's starting to hurt. The kids complain about the stock seat too because they kind of slide all around, and they say, you know, after a few hours their rear ends start to hurt a little bit too. So before I ramble on a little bit too much, I'm gonna go ahead and cut real quick, walk into Dollar General, get some charcoal, and I'll catch up with you guys once we get what we came out for. Also, real quick, let me know what you guys think of the new camera angle. This one, the 360, it's coming from underneath the rear foot peg, so let me know. But I'll catch up with you guys here in a sec. All right, so we're all loaded up. Got the charcoal on the back of the Dyna. What's the weirdest thing you guys have strapped on the back of your bike? Throw it in the comments below, guys. Let me know. This probably isn't the weirdest thing, but I don't got bags. So if I do a quick errand for the wife, I gotta make sure I bring a bungee cord because I'm cheap. And I just connect it to my sissy bar. Hopefully it stays on there. So we're back to the normal 360 mount setup here on the bars. Real quick, wanna give a little quick shout out to Dyna Dads. Go ahead and check them out on Instagram. It's Dyna_Dads. But he created this Instagram account just to, you know, showcase us dads that just like to get out and ride. And the Dyna thing is kind of a big market right now, and a lot of us dads that ride Dynas could be cool too. I mean, I wasn't going or anything, bro. So with this seat, super stoked. I mean, I was contemplating a couple different mods because I did get the okay from Household 6, aka the wife, on being able to invest a little bit more in the Dyna, and I was on the fence about some of the different mods I wanted to do. I knew I wanted a headlight, I knew I wanted a seat, but ever since I installed this Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing, I knew I really wanted either Plex audio or two-wheel audio. I don't know if you guys have checked out two-wheel audio, but go ahead and check them out. They got some sick mount setup for if you rock a Road Warrior, where it replaces your plastic screws with metal screws, and the speaker system connects right in to the fairing, which I like. You know, with the Plex Audio, you got to do something underneath the bars, and then the mount, a lot of people say it wobbles or does something like that, but the big perk about the Plex is regardless of what fairing you end up going with later on, it's interchangeable. With the two-wheel, you're kind of, you know, you're stuck. Once you get it for the Road Warrior, you just got to hope you always rock this kind of fairing. But before I, you know, go down that route, I was on the fence, like I was saying, and I really was contemplating doing the audio setup, but the more and more I thought about it, I wanted to, one, ensure that my ride was a little bit more safe when I'm out in low light settings, so headlight, and then two, I wanted to make the ride a little bit more comfortable, not only for myself, but for the kids when they ride, because that's one of the things that they could complain about when we're out riding is this stock seat. And I know all of you guys being Harley owners, you know, I mean, the stock seat is just enough to get you off the showroom floor, and if you want to throw down some miles, you're definitely going to have to invest in a new seat. And I've had this bike for close to 4 years now, and I've gone from Georgia all the way up to Chattanooga, Tennessee on a ride, and the seat did good. I mean, I don't really clock too many long distance rides just because what I do, and vacation time, most of the time it's spent at home with the kids and I don't get out on these big long rides. But after doing that ride, and then with the recent trip that we took up to Atlanta, although it was only 160 miles round trip, like I mentioned earlier, I guess I'm just getting old, and lower back, hips started to hurt a little bit. So I was glad that I had this seat on the way. I was hoping it would get here in time. That way, you know, the kids could kind of tell me their take on it. But we'll do that in the first impressions video, or maybe even a ride and review later. But anyways, the seat wasn't here in time, and that's one of the things that the kids said, you know. Paisley, she made the truck all the way up there on Saturday, and it was non-stop, so just shy of 2 hours, and she didn't complain. But then again, I mean, she's only 6, she has a smaller frame, so this stock seat kind of works for her. But once I threw the older kids on there, especially Addie, because she's 11, and she has found her voice a little bit more in Paisley, she definitely lets me know that, hey, Dad, we need a new seat. And luckily, it's in the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the garage, guys, do this unboxing of the Whiplash Speed Company Gambler seat. You guys can kind of see with the stitching setup and the actual overall fabric that I went with the seat. And then I'm gonna let Wyatt actually do the install with some assistance, of course, of the seat, because it's super easy. I mean, I don't even know why I decided to do an install video, but we'll let the son do it. So let's go ahead and get into the garage, guys, and see what this seat is all about, huh? Hey, Doss. All right, welcome back into the garage, guys. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video of our new seat. We got the Whiplash Speed Co. Gambler seat, and we're about to do this unboxing and the install video. And I know in the ride portion of today's video, I said Wyatt was going to help me, but Wyatt's 10 and Wyatt had, I guess, a video game date with his friends, and they're up there playing Fortnite, and he'd rather do that, which I understand. But Addie said that she would come out here and help us do this unboxing and install video. And I figured, you know, the main reason why I bought this seat for the Dyna is for the kids, because what we got on here right now is the stock seat, of course, and they're the ones that kind of complain the most about the seat. Addie says the back portion, the two-up portion on the seat isn't that comfortable, especially when we're clocking decent miles, you know, not anything crazy, but longer miles. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. You ready to help me out, Ad? Yeah, so get on over here. So we're gonna do this with good old dagger knife, right? But we gotta be careful, so I'll help you. So, all right, man, big box, huh? All right, we got some more tape up top right here. Do you wanna cut that open, or you want me to do it?
Can I cut it open? How do I do it?
How do you do it?
Yeah.
Here, I'll start it, and then you just slide it. Come on. Watch your hands.
My hands are fine.
Oh, there we go. Oh, we got more tape. Man, they taped this all shut.
They don't joke with packaging.
No, good thing though. So as we're knocking out all this tape, guys, this seat, it retails for about $459 from Whiplash Speed Co. on their website. Like I said, they are a veteran-owned company, so it's about the same price as if you wanted to get and there it is right there on the TV. Gosh, I can't wait to see that. There's the other one. They make a slipstream as well, guys, but that one, I mean, as you can see the back of it, it just didn't look like it was going to be as comfortable for the kids. All right, so we got the seat down there on the ground in this big old box. So Ad, you ready to come on over here? We got more help too. Paige, you want to help? Paige is out in the garage too. Paige, say hi. Hi. They're excited about this new seat, I think, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think the girls are more excited than I am. So you think, girls, you think they packaged this seat up good enough in that box to protect it? Protect your investment a little bit? Paige, do you think so? Mm-hmm. We got Maddox out here now too. Maddox, you want to help us with the seat? Yeah, get over there with the girls, dude. Get over there.
Can I hold you?
No, you're gonna have to help pull the seat out. All right, so we got everything unwrapped with the bubble wrap. It looks like they did a decent job packaging the thing up. Make sure you don't get any rips or tears in it and the seat doesn't get damaged. Don't drop it though.
I like it.
Yeah, you can pop the bubbles after the video, big guy.
What in the world is going on?
What do you say, girls? You want to take it out of the bag?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, here, I'll help you. So you hold the seat. Okay, come help, dude. Get up here. Put your hands up there. Just keep your hands underneath the bottom of the seat and I'll pull the bag, okay?
Got it.
You're not going to break it, guys. What do you think?
I like how it feels so far.
You like how it feels so far?
Yeah, this one's like...
What was that, Pace?
It's sick.
That's sick. Look at this. White double stitching.
Yeah, that's like my favorite part.
They did the logo for me. They did the logo in white.
I really like it.
So this is the matte carbon. It's not your traditional black onyx, I think was like the normal color of the seat. They also make several different others, but this is gonna look really good on the bike. Don't you think?
Yes.
You girls wanna install it now?
Yes.
All right, so first things first, girls. We gotta get this screw right here. We gotta get that screw loosened up. Twist this way. There you go. All right, Addie, now you grab the screw that's coming out of the fender. Okay, remember, we don't want to touch the fender because my OCD, I don't want no scratches. All right?
All right.
I think that's enough, Pace. Hold on. Grab the screw, Ad. Got it? Now pull it off. All right. Okay. All right, now put it up. That's good.
I'm so scared.
With this strap, you got to get this in between the seat. That way it helps, okay? All right, now we're going to lift up and pull it out from underneath the tank. Pull it backwards. There you go. Okay, now hold the seat. Hold the seat. There we go. And now I'm going to take this strap. Don't let it touch the tank or the fender. All right, now slide it your way. Go. Boom. Look at that. See how easy that was, girls?
Yeah.
Super easy, right? All right, now we got to get this strap off the fender as well here. So we're going to have to get the socket to loosen that up. Both can do it. It goes right there on the, and then twist it.
Towards you.
And then now go back. Now me. Back. There you go. I think that's it. Okay, now lift this off. Go put it on my toolbox.
It's out.
Take the washer.
And there we go.
So because we got all this road grime and all this nasty stuff in here. Normally I would want to wash it off first. But we're trying to get this seat on there, right?
Yeah.
What's that, dude? You want some spray? Go wash your bike. No, your bike. Here. Here. You need this. Go wash your bike. All right, you girls ready to put the seat on? Okay. Let's go. What are you doing with that old seat, dude? All right, girls, let's put this one on. Okay, Addie, you take the back of it. Paige, come take the front. And you see that little, oh, you already know, you see a little lip underneath? Yeah. Slide under. Is it there? Is it lined up, Pace?
Think so.
Think so? What about the back, Ad? We're gonna have to push it down some.
Yep.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it. All right, where's that screw at, girls? This little cool So a little tool, special tool is gonna be needed to put this screw on Pace. Nope, we don't need that one. That's the old screw. That means that's a screw that anybody could take off our bike. We don't want to lose this seat, right?
Yeah.
Here, hold this.
This is an awesome seat because it's attached to the Dyna Fat Bob.
All right, so here, add the screw, line it up with the hole,
Put on, Pace.
and we just use our hands to get it in.
Okay.
Go ahead. Use your hands, tighten it up. Is it in?
Not yet.
Oh, there you go, girls. What do you think?
I think she looks good.
You girls wanna?
Tomorrow, Addie's gonna take it out for a try.
Yes.
How's it feel? Comfy?
Oh yeah.
All right, Addie's turn.
Okay. Test
No,
it out.
come on.
Since we're gonna
Okay, I'll put you on there too.
You wanna know how to get it awesome.
How much better is the back?
a lot more.
Yeah?
It's a lot more softer.
Awesome.
My butt is gonna
Dad,
love
you're
it.
not gonna get the soft spot.
I think that's going to conclude today's video. That unboxing and install. It's never easy in the garage with the kids, but it's always entertaining. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We started with one kid and we ended up with 3 in the garage. Everybody wanting to put their hands in there. And then Maddox wanting to just play with the bubble wrap. So Whiplash Speed Company, thanks for putting an abundance of bubble wrap in that box to entertain my 3-year-old. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Right now I'm just kind of trying to get used to the seat. It positions me a little bit differently, but I'll be bringing you guys a first impressions video, of course, and then later on, once I can clock some miles with the seat, a ride and review video as well, because that's how we do things around here, right? So if you guys like today's video, be sure to click that like icon, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click this subscribe button right here. And if you'd rather stick around and watch a few more of my videos, I'll throw up a video here and here. Like always, guys, I really appreciate the support. Thanks for tuning in to another video, and this is MOTOSARGE signing out.
Hard work, I earn my pay.